Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I gonna to show you how to make Lenny face in MS Word. So follow some steps. First of all, press Shift plus 9. Now press space bar. Now type 0361 and press Alt key plus X. Now press B capital 0, then press Alt key plus X. Now press space bar. Now type 035C Alt key plus X. Now 0296 Alt key plus X. Now press space bar. Now 0361 Alt key plus X. B capital 0 Alt key plus X space. Now Shift 0. So that's it. By this easy and simple keyword pressing, you can make Lenny face on MS Word. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.